Long ago, in a humble little village surrounded by rolling hills and dusty roads, there lived a boy named Ayan. His life was not an easy one. His clothes were patched and faded, his shoes long worn through, and his small hut stood almost empty. By every measure of wealth, Ayan was poor. Yet in his eyes glimmered something rare, kindness that never ran dry. Though he owned little, Ayan carried a heart filled with generosity. Each day he woke with the rising sun and asked himself not what he could gain, but what he could give. He carried buckets of water for the elderly, gathered firewood for neighbors, and shared even the last piece of bread with those hungrier than himself. But still his poverty weighed on him. At times, Ayan felt invisible among merchants with heavy purses and children with families who could provide. There were nights when his stomach ached from hunger, and he wondered if his kindness made any difference at all. Yet something quiet was happening. Villagers began to notice the boy who asked for nothing but gave everything. Children laughed and followed him down the streets. Farmers waved from their fields offering him fruit. Travelers remembered the boy who welcomed them with warmth, even when his own hands were empty. Without knowing it, Ayan was planting seeds in every heart he touched. One evening, weary from a long day, Ayan sat beneath the shade of an ancient oak tree. To his surprise, people began to gather children, mothers, elders, and travelers alike. They brought baskets of food, clothes, and smiles. One by one, they spoke of how Ayan had helped them, how his kindness had lifted their burdens. In that moment, Ayan looked around and realized he was not alone. He was surrounded by love. Tears welled in his eyes as laughter and warmth filled the air. Ayan had no riches to hold in his hands, yet he held something far greater, hearts that cared for him, friends who cherished him. And so, the poor lad who once seemed to own nothing discovered the greatest treasure of all. For wealth may vanish, but true friendship, once earned, lasts forever.